In this video, we will learn how to enhance our conversation by reading book. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English with Nancy Convo. So our topic is, here we are going to learn conversation related to arriving early or late. So let us see here conversation A. Let me tell you here first that S1 denotes for first person and S2 denotes for second person. So let us see what first person is saying and what second person is saying. Let us see. First person, I am afraid we are going to be late. Second person, how much time is there left? First person, we have got about 30 or 40 minutes. Second person, that should be plenty of time. Conversation B. First person, whom are you waiting for? Second person is giving answer, we are waiting for our friend. First person, what are you looking so angry for? Second person, because she's 20 minutes late already. Conversation C. First person, aren't we going to be late for the meeting? Second person, no, I think we will be on time. First person, well, I won't be there in time to get a good seat. Second person, the meeting doesn't start for another 20 minutes. Conversation D. First person, isn't Harry here yet? Second person, here he comes now. First person, 8:45, late as usual. Second person, well, we can still get to school on time. Conversation E. First person, are we late or not? Second person, no. In fact, we are according to my watch. First person, hadn't we better go inside? Second person, alright, but we are really about a half an hour early. If you want to learn basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana. And also you can follow me on Instagram. In description, the link is given below. Go and check it. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that we come up with more boosting information. Till then, take care and bye-bye.